Have you ever wondered why no matter how hard you work, your money seems to slip through your fingers? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the 10 most common money mistakes Americans make, and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick around to learn the smart money habits that could change your life forever. Welcome back to the Stoic Investor. Managing money can be tough, but it doesn't have to be a mystery. By understanding these common pitfalls, you'll be better equipped to take control of your financial future. Let's jump right in. 1. Living beyond your means. One of the biggest traps is spending more than you earn. It's easy to get caught up in the buy now, pay later culture, but this habit often leads to debt. Create a realistic budget that tracks your income and expenses. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you stay on track. Remember, living within your means doesn't mean sacrificing everything, it means prioritizing what truly matters. 2. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and without an emergency fund, one unexpected expense can throw your finances off course. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small, even setting aside $10 a week adds up over time. Automate your savings to make it effortless. 3. Ignoring high-interest debt. Credit card debt is a silent killer for your finances. Paying only the minimum balance means you're stuck in a cycle of interest payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. The debt snowball or avalanche method can help you tackle it efficiently. Better yet, avoid accruing this debt by using credit responsibly. 4. Failing to invest. Saving money is great, but letting it sit idle in a low-interest savings account means you're losing purchasing power due to inflation. Start investing early, even if it's a small amount. Consider low-cost index funds or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. 5. Not tracking spending. It's hard to control your money if you don't know where it's going. Keep a log of your expenses for at least a month. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to categorize your spending. Once you see where your money goes, you can adjust your habits accordingly. 6. Overlooking retirement savings. Many Americans put off saving for retirement, thinking they'll have time later. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the less you need to save overall. Contribute to your 401k, especially if your employer offers a match. It's essentially free money. If you don't have a 401k, open an IRA and start contributing regularly. 7. Falling for lifestyle inflation. Getting a raise feels great, but if you immediately upgrade your lifestyle, you'll never build wealth. When your income increases, focus on increasing your savings and investments, not just your spending. Treat yourself, but within reason. 8. Neglecting insurance. Insurance might feel like an unnecessary expense until you need it. Not having adequate coverage can lead to financial disaster. Make sure you have health, auto, home, and life insurance. Shop around for the best rates and ensure your coverage meets your needs. 9. Not setting financial goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift financially. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or saving for a vacation, having a clear target helps you stay focused. 10. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes, scams, and risky investments prey on people looking for quick money. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your research and stick to proven investment strategies. Consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure. Avoiding these 10 common money mistakes can set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, small changes today lead to big rewards tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's build a financially savvy community together.